Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for March 23rd, 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First up, we take a look at what transpired for Nifty. Given the further escalations in the West Asia conflict coupled with weak global cues, Nifty took another tumble of about 2.6% today. The NSE index closed lower by 1.85 points from Friday's close to end at 22,512.65. Broad-based selling was seen across all sectors with metals, realty and banking witnessing the biggest corrections today. A spike of 17.17% was witnessed in the volatility index, which is set to play spoilsport in the near term. Supports can be readjusted down to 22,470, followed by 22,320, while resistances will be at 22,660, followed by 22,820. As you may have noticed, both support levels mentioned in today's pre-market report video were broken and shall now act as resistance. Elevated and volatile crude prices will act as an overhang and will keep affecting the markets negatively, with Nifty gaining some bullish momentum, only above 22,955, while the index will be even more bearish below the lower support placed at 22,320. Next, let us take a peek at Sensex. The BSE index too fell by 2.46% to close lower by 1,837 points to end the day at 72,696. After the fall seen today, supports can be readjusted downwards to 72,570 followed by 71,990, while resistances on the way up will be at 73,125 followed by 73,450. Sensex may resume bullish momentum, now only above 74,000, while bearish grip will tighten further below the lower resistance, placed at 71,990. Now, let us take a look at movements in crude oil prices. With further escalations in the West Asia conflict with Iran looking to completely close off the Strait of Hormuz, a strategic waypoint in a significant amount of the world's crude oil supply chain, prices have continued their upward momentum. These elevated levels will affect the balance of payments of most major emerging markets that import crude oil, thereby affecting the global economy negatively. The energy counter is currently trading above 9,360, which will now act as support, followed by next support at 9,110. Resistances on the way up will be at 9,625 followed by 9,845. A break above 9,845 will intensify the bullish momentum even further, while the energy counter will be bearish only below 8,505. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in news today. Shares of IDBI Bank Limited fell around 7% after reports that the government may consider the OFS route to reduce its stake. Sentiment also remains weak after the earlier privatization attempt failed due to bids coming below the reserve price. Shares of InterGlobe Aviation Limited and SpiceJet Limited tumbled up to 10% amid concerns of a potential ATF price hike. Rising geopolitical tensions in West Asia have increased fears of higher fuel costs, putting pressure on airline profitability. Shares of DCX Systems Limited surged about 12% after the company secured a 563 crore rupee order win. The firm also announced plans to expand its manufacturing capabilities, particularly in large format PCBs, supporting future growth. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.